So, ayun na, lulutong lang natin. Yan. So, dinidiscuss ko po kay Sir Emerson yung mga standards tsaka yung mga testing na sinusunod ni Hisense sa pagpuproduce ng aming air conditioning. So, makikita nyo dito na yung factory namin, nagkakandak kami ng mga world-class quality accreditation, kagaya ng salt spray test, for example, vibration and drop test. So, ito yung kapag isiniship natin yung equipment, in case na yung matumba, malaglag. So, yung may mga ganun bang tendency. So, dito namin sinitingnan kung hanggang saan kayang i-sustain ng equipment yung mga ganung tendency. Yung pipe stress laboratory, isa to sa pinagbabalaki namin na testing dahil bibihira sa isang air conditioning supplier and production na may nagkakandak ng pipe stress. And so, meron din kaming thermal shock laboratory, capacity laboratory. So, overall, ito yung transportation test, pipe stress test. So, ito yung mga condition na sinusunod namin. Okay? So, ito pa yung ilan. Electromagnetic test, anti-frosting, noise test. And so, overall, meron kaming 34 test standard para i-ensure na mataas yung reliability ng equipment namin. Yan. So, dito pa lang makikita nyo na si Hisense is very particular sa quality ng equipment namin. Okay? So, dito, ito naman yung mga recognition o yung mga approving body na ina-approve si Hisense. So, we have here the CECB, AHRI, Eurovent, EPL, and EASM. Yeah. So, very familiar tayo with AHRI, CE, and CB. So, Eurovent, ito yung sa Europe, and EASM naman is yung sa Middle East. Okay? So, ano ba mga product ni Hisense? So, we have DRF product. Ito yung main product na ini-cater namin. Of course, we have the light commercial or the split types. Yan. So, meron din kaming mga intelligent control system para sa ating mga BRF. Okay? And the next one is ito, coming soon to the Philippines, is Hisense Chiller. So, as of now, we already starting to sell the Hisense Chiller. But, the other types is coming soon by year 2024. So, hopefully, ma-produce na namin siya, mabenta na namin siya dito sa Philippine market and may consider siya ng ating mga clients. So, Hisense also add values for marketing. So, if you're familiar with the World Cup, the FIFA World Cup, so yung NBA, NASCAR, and then the very recent for 2024, we have the Europa Cup. So, Europa Cup 2024 is already secured by Hisense. Okay? So, we have here na mga brand operation, like ma-attend kami ng mga conventions, product promotion, advertisement, event plannings. So, HVAC Expo, so hopefully, the next succeeding year, yung mga exhibitions natin, makita nyo na dun si Hisense as one of the exhibitors.
Saan lugar niya?
Meron tayong mga convention na ginaganap yearly, kagaya na yung sa PSME, PSIM, NatCon, and then yung
Sa nakarang week?
yung sa HVAC R Manila. Yan.
Okay.
And then, ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang ginagawa ni Hisense. So, year 2022, nag-conduct kami ng Global Partner Conference kung saan everyone was invited. So, every contractor was invited during this time. So, itong conference na to ay kinandak sabay-sabay sa buong mundo. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng branches ni Hisense is all together, naka-online yan. And then, we conduct a global scale conference. Okay? And then, last 2023, kinandak ulit siya, pero particular na lang siya sa Qingdao, China. So, lahat ng representative from each branch is pumunta sa China. And then, makikita nyo din dito sa picture na to, na ni-renew yung certification namin with AHRI o mas pinagtibay pa yung aming connection with AHRI. Right? So, various marketing promotion all over the world. So, dito, meron kami mga technical seminars. Recently, last August, sa mga consultant natin. So, dito, pinag-strengthen namin yung connection namin with our designers para mas makilala pa natin si Hisense. Okay? And then, for the cooperation with local universities, so si Hisense very particular yan sa advocacy na tumulong sa mga local communities natin tsaka sa universities. So, meron kami ditong sa Ateneo. So, sa Ateneo, nag-conduct kami ng, yung sa Ateneo, kinonduct namin dun pala is yung music festival. Okay, yung dito sa Lasal naman, sa Lasal, ito naman yung sa swimming team nila. So, sponsor kami sa kanila. Yung sa last na music festival and I think that's a fundraising event sa Ateneo. Okay? And then meron din kami sa China, yan yung mga football tournament, football match. So, meron din kami naging talk with PUP Taguig. Yun. So, nagkaroon din kami ng talk doon and sponsorship. So, kung meron man kayong mga schools na gusto nyong humingi ng sponsorship, lalo na when it focus to mechanical engineering, yan. So, very supportive dyan si Hisense para magbigay ng mga talks. Yan. So, add value for your logistic. So, ito yung maganda kay Hisense. So, given na we are the largest VRF manufacturing in the world, and we're producing around 6 million equipment per year, dahil nga doon, we have excellent production capability, strictly packaging testing, short distance to harbor. So, our factory is located in near the harbor. So, yung pinakang office ni Hisense also is in Qingdao, China, which is very close to the sea. And so, kaya mabilis lang yung ating shipment. Okay? So, we also ensure the professional inventory management and safety delivery of your equipment. So, kung yung mga project nyo is need i-deliver within Manila or Cebu or Davao, we can make arrangements for that.
Ayan, tandaan niyo po.
Then, okay? So, add value for your training. So, Hisense is also focused on training. So, recently, we conduct pre-sales training para sa ating mga contractors, sa mga bago nating mga consultants, and pumupunta kami sa offices nila to conduct training related to Hisense product. Not only for pre-sales but also after-sales installation. And the good thing with our installation training, for example, you have a project that is already secured. So, iti-tailored fit namin yung presentation namin para dun sa project nyo yun specifically. So, ibig sabihin, para mas punto por punto tayo dun sa project nyo, iti-design namin yung presentations namin and yung training based dun sa project na sinecure.
Yun ang pinakamaganda. Hindi lang sa pang-residential, commercial, and industrial. Meron sila lahat.
Yan. So, add value for your training. So, marami kaming mga training na ginagawa. Pwedeng sa headquarters namin, online. Pwede kaming pumunta sa site. Pwede rin kaming pumunta dun sa mga offices nyo para mag-conduct ng
Yan, isa na rin kami dyan.
And next, so add value for after sales. So, we have very experienced experts. So, syempre yung pinili namin na team namin is very expert na pagdating sa HVAC. Okay? And then for commissioning, marami kaming tools na ginagamit. And not only limited to our service team. So, meron kaming mga applications na makakatulong sa inyo as a guide as well. Para kung meron kayong gusto niyo yung mga service team nyo, yung mga service person nyo na maging knowledgeable kay Hisense, aside from training, we also providing applications. And then for maintenance, we have service support, intelligent code system. And then kung mga spare parts ang kailangan natin, we are stocking spare parts. Okay?
Yun ang number one.
Yan. So, meron din kami tinatawag namin ng Global Customer Service System Support o spare parts support. So, yung GCSS namin, ito ay accessible ng mga customer namin in case na they want to check the spare parts. Yan. So, professional solution. So, here's some of our project secured. So, we have Ayala Projects, and Gentry, Prime Plaza, Hypermarket. So, there are lots of projects already secured by Hisense. Not only yung mga private projects, we also have a semi-government project like Manila Water. So, yung mga facilities natin na gano'n. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So, ito lang yung ilan. So, thank you for listening. And so, this is Hisense HVAC. And, please,
Abangan niyo po yung aming product ni Hisense. Bukod sa mura, kung narinig ko nyo yung sinabi niya po kanina, yung mga spare parts, ay napakadami available. No, so hindi tayo mahirapan yan. So yung mga nagtitipid, ito pasok po kayo. Sa mga kapatid namin, inanyayahan kayo namin, kung gusto niyo po order ng Hisense, dito na kayo sa ASIS Residential Building Construction. At dito na lahat ng hinahanap nyo. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Kami ang magsiservice po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.